Good morning, candidates. Today we have Lieutenant Colonel Rohit Mehra sir with us, who happens to be an ex-psychologist from 22 SSB Bhopal and now associated with Dreamers EduHub. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, now FCAT result will be announced at any moment. So students have so many questions for you. So, sir, one question is, when the result is announced, students have so many doubts how to select dates for our SSBs. So how to tackle this thing, sir?
See, once the SSB results are announced, so the dates need to be selected. So for that, the students need to keep in mind that they would be preparing for other competitive exams as well.
Yes, sir.
So they need to ensure that they do not those dates that they have selected, they do not clash with the dates of other competitive exams. So they need to plan and organize selecting the dates in such a way that they streamline the written part as well as the selection part.
Sir, there's always a myth in students. Even now, I have also given SSB, so I was also thinking the same thing. So, when we'll select this particular date, there will be more chances of getting recommended. या फिर हम अगर लास्ट की डेट सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो चांसेस कम होते हैं रिकमेंडेशन के. सर ऐसा कुछ भी होता है?
Well, that is just a myth. The SSB process is a very scientific process wherein the assessment is carried out by the assessors in a very methodological way. So just thinking that last में हम जाएंगे तो नहीं होंगे and शुरू में जाएंगे तो हो जाएंगे. So that is all myth. It is
So,
baseless, absolutely.
so the same thing regarding the selection of centers. When we select the A4 selection boards, so how to select these centers, sir? Because sir, there is always a अब आपने clear कर दिया, there is a myth कि एक particular center ज़्यादा recommend करता है. सर ये actually में कोई thing है कि बच्चे हमेशा कतराते हैं कि इस particular center पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो how to select centers, sir?
See, this is also again a myth that in one particular center the results will be better and the other one the results may not be that good. So there is nothing of that kind. All the boards are equal. The assessment process is absolutely fair and very scientific. So the students should take this myth out of their mind कि मैं उस सेंटर में जाऊंगा तो वहाँ ज़्यादा सेलेक्ट हो जाऊंगा मैं तो यहाँ पर नहीं जाऊंगा. So please let that myth be taken out of your minds and go ahead wherever center is allotted to you. You give your best effort there.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. सर आपने बच्चों का एक बहुत बड़ा डाउट क्लियर कर दिया, वरना बच्चे बहुत डरते हैं कि ये सेंटर चूज करना, ये सेंटर नहीं चूज करना. सर वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स कि नाउ बच्चे अब अपनी सारी एकेडमिक ट्रेनिंग से फ्री हो चुके हैं, रिटर्न उनका हो चुका है, सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स अभी बहुत दूर हैं. सो सर हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एसएसबीज नाउ? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वी शुड डू फॉर आवर प्रिपरेशन एट होम और आवर प्रिपरेशन एट अकेडमीज?
See, as I have always been telling my candidates that SSB working for the SSB selection is not a 15 days job. It is an ongoing process. So ideally, they should not wait for the written results to be announced and then they start preparing. I always tell them that you keep continuing preparation for the SSB as a lifestyle. Bring it in your lifestyle and in your daily routine and ensure that you are following those steps that as assessors and as mentors that we keep telling. So once you are in that flow, automatically your SSB will be a smooth process and you will not have to put in some extra effort कि अब मैं SSB की तैयारी करता हूँ. So don't wait for the written results to be announced. Straight away go head on and start preparing for the SSB.
Sir, you are a psychologist at a SSB board itself. So sir, as a student और as a faculty हम बहुत कुछ बच्चों को बताते हैं कि सर एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट आप बच्चों के अंदर क्या देखते हैं? लास्ट थिंग ये बच्चों के अंदर बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन होता है कि फैकल्टी तो अपने हिसाब से बहुत कुछ बता देती है कि ये होगा ये होगा. सर एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट आप तो खुद वो हो जो रिकमेंड करते हैं, हम तो वो हैं जो बस बता सकते हैं. तो सर आप क्या ऐसा बच्चों के अंदर बता सकते हैं कि साइकोलॉजी के रिगार्डिंग या फिर किसी भी चीज के रिगार्डिंग जो आप जनरली बच्चों के अंदर ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं सर?
See, it is not just the psychology part. The even that all the techniques when I say per se, चाहे वो GT हो, चाहे वो interview technique हो, चाहे वो psychology हो, we look for those 15 OLQs uh, in the candidates and see कि वो बच्चा की पर्सनालिटी किस तरीके से बनी है. सो वो पर्सनालिटी को किस तरीके से हम असेस करना है वो हमारे को सिखाया जाता है. तो वो हम उनके डोजियर से असेस करते हैं and that technique is taught to us based on the experience that we have gained in the army since many years of service and plus the course that we do. So उसके basis पे फिर वो ये हम evaluation करते हैं फिर 15 OLQs का and also we see certain things other than the 15 OLQs also. That is
But
not
they are very confidential. I'll not tell you on the screen. Huh?
No, that is not there. Nothing confidential as such. It is basically the personality of the child, of the candidate, how the candidate has molded himself and developed his personality over the period of years, and now after crossing the adolescent जो एक एज होती है उसके बाद बच्चे ने कैसे
Yes.
अपने आप को डेवलप किया है, it all depends upon
Yes,
that.
sir. Okay, sir. One last advice to our students who are going to face their SSB board soon.
The only advice that I would like to give is that please keep working hard, and there is no shortcut from working hard. The only way to succeed in the SSB is your grit, your determination. That is going to sail you through. There is no shortcut as such.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.